Imagine turning your daily walk into a secret workout that burns more calories, boosts your energy, and tones your body, all without breaking a sweat. Most people walk without thinking twice, but today I'm going to show you 12 walking hacks. And last is a game changer that can completely transform your results. Whether you're aiming to get fitter, feel better, or simply enjoy your walks more, these tips will change the way you step out every day. First, interval walking. Start with interval walking. Imagine walking briskly for 1 minute and then slowing down for the next. These bursts of speed can increase your calorie burn by up to 20%. It's like giving your body little fitness surprises, keeping your heart rate up and making your walks far more effective. 2. Squeeze those glutes. When was the last time you thought about your glutes while walking? Probably never, right? But squeezing your glutes with every step engages these powerful muscles, helping to tone and strengthen them. It's a simple tweak that turns a regular walk into a workout for your backside. 3. Walk after eating. Feeling sluggish after a meal? Take a 15-minute walk. Studies show that walking right after eating helps lower blood sugar levels and aids digestion. It's like hitting the refresh button on your body. Break up your walks. Instead of trying to get all your steps in one long walk, break them into shorter sessions throughout the day. 3 10-minute walks can keep your metabolism going and help you feel more energized. 5. Change the terrain. Mix it up by walking on sand, trails, or gravel. Different surfaces challenge your muscles in unique ways, improving your balance and coordination while burning more calories than flat, predictable paths. 6. Engage your core and shoulders. Many of us walk with slouched shoulders or a disengaged core. Try straightening up, rolling your shoulders back, and engaging your abs as you walk. This simple change can improve your posture and give your spine the support it needs. 7. Pump your arms. Don't let your arms just hang at your sides. Pump them. Swinging your arms as you walk can increase your calorie burn by 15%, engaging your upper body muscles and turning your walk into a full-body workout. 8. Walk at sunrise. Ever tried a morning walk? Exposure to early sunlight helps set your circadian rhythm, boosting your mood and energy for the rest of the day. It's a beautiful way to start, especially when you want to set a positive tone. 9. Wear a weighted vest. Want to take things up a notch? Try wearing a weighted vest. It's like adding resistance to your walk, challenging your muscles, and improving your stamina over time. Start light, and as you get stronger, you can gradually add more weight. 10. Walking workouts. Incorporate fun walking workouts into your routine. From kickboxing moves to no jump jacks, these variations keep things interesting and increase the intensity of your walks, turning them into mini cardio sessions. 11th, walk backwards. Yes, walking backward is a thing, and it's great for your knees. It activates muscles that are often neglected and can enhance your balance. Plus, it burns more calories, making your workout extra effective. 12th, walk in nature. Finally, walk in nature whenever you can. Parks, trails, or heritage sites offer more than just a change of scenery. They reduce stress, improve mood, and help you burn more calories compared to indoor or urban settings. So there you have it, 12 ways to transform your walk into a powerful, mood-boosting, calorie-burning workout. Walking isn't just about getting from point A to B, it's about making the journey work for you. And if you want to accelerate your weight loss journey even further, I recommend trying Java Burn. It's a natural weight loss supplement that boosts your metabolism, helping you get even better results from your walks. If you're interested, the link to buy it is in the bio below.